No, can I show them to the screen?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'll show them. So guys, please follow. 3 million.
How many millions?
1.3 million.
1.3 million. Is it you?
Yes. Look.
Khalid, are you right? You from
Yeah.
Morocco? Okay. So, দর্শক আসলে আমি এখানে খালিদকে পেয়েছি। I don't know how old he is, but he's got 14. Okay. So তার প্যারেন্টসের পারমিশন আছে এবং তার ফলোয়ার হচ্ছে
3 million.
1.3 million ফলোয়ার নিয়ে সে আজকে এখানে এসেছে। Khalid, you from Morocco, you said, right?
Yes, I am.
Why are you here today?
I'm here today to try out the food and see Okiwe and Adam Saleh. Okiwe is the one that's cooking the food. I tried the food. It was 10 out of 10. Very good. Come down and try it.
Okay. That's wonderful. So, এটি হচ্ছে একটা ম্যাজিক যে what's your name?
Zacharias, not Khalid.
And your page name?
My page name is Study with Zaki.
And Khalid, what you say 1.3 million? Which page is it?
Huh?
1.3 million page
Yeah,
name?
Study with Zaki.
Study with Jackie.
Yes.
Okay. So Jakir got 1.3 million views and today Jakir in this shop and he's trying to promote and also he wants to see who he follows. That's fine. You got your food as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.